This is Zilin from CHK. It's my honor to present our work ProTo, Program-Guided Transformers for Program-Guided Tasks. My co-authors are Karen Samuel, Binghong Chen, and Professor Le Song. This project is done during my internship at GATEC. I will conduct this presentation in a question-answering manner. First, what is a program in the context of machine learning? According to Wikipedia, programs are a collection of instructions that can be executed by a program to perform a specific task. As shown in the bottom, program can be used in sync description, string manipulations, and visual reasoning. Then, what can we learn about the program? In fact, many different learning schemes are proposed as shown in the diagrams. First, program induction requires one model to infer one output from an input, like a program does. There is no explicit program involved in the inference of a program induction, and the model is asked to imitate the behavior of the program. Second, the program synthesis task asks the model to predict a program given the observed specification, such as the input and output pairs. Moreover, in the programmatic reinforcement learning, one needs to search a policy as a program from the specifications, such as a demonstration, and then apply the policy to the environment to get a high reward. In our work, we propose the program-guided tasks, which require the model to learn to execute the given program on the specification. Note a key difference between the program-guided tasks and other tasks is the program is given in the program-guided tasks, and we are using the program to guide the agent to perform tasks. What are our contributions? First, we propose a novel family of tasks that is called program-guided tasks. And second, we propose a novel model, program-guided transformers, for program-guided tasks, which would be described in detail in the following slides. Moreover, we show promising results on two distinct tasks, program-guided visual reasoning and program-guided policy learning. Here we give two concrete examples of program-guided tasks. The first task is program-guided visual reasoning, where the model needs to execute a visual program on the specification to get a predicted answer. The second task is program-guided policy learning, where the agent learns a policy to perform tasks based on the observed specification following the program guidance. We have several motivations to study program-guided tasks. First, we wish to learn general program executors to unify perception, reasoning, and decision-making. Second, we can learn to communicate via programs, since programs are more explicit and more structured than noisy language. Furthermore, programs are beneficial to generalization, since the programs are compositional and scalable. Here we show the high-level idea of ProTo to address the program-guided tasks. ProTo would execute the given program depending on the observed specification. For each execution time step, as long as ProTo does not match a listed routine, it would first update the current observation, and then follow the ProTo model. After that, it would produce the current program output and update the pointer when needed. I will give you a running example in the following slides. Suppose that we have a program on the left and the specification in the middle. I will show you the output of each time step on the right. In ProTo execution, we use a pointer to indicate the current routine, which is denoted by the black arrow. To execute the first routine, go to 2-3, the agent needs to go right and then go down. After that, the agent needs to execute the second routine, my rectangle. The agent needs to navigate to the rectangle. Then use this my action to fetch the rectangle. Here we finish the execution of second routine. To execute the third routine, the agent needs to navigate to the place 5-4 and place the angle. After that, the agent needs to execute a branching routine. Since currently the agent has less than 3 angles, the output of the condition routine is true. Therefore, the agent needs to execute the routine place circle 8-7. In other words, the agent needs to place the circle at the bottom right corner. Note here the agent cannot go directly over the river, but he needs to first build a bridge. So he first go down and make a bridge over the river. After that, he can reach the corner and place the circle. Here the agent finishes the execution of a program. Then, what's the model architecture of ProTo? On the left hand, we propose a disentangled program representation to leverage both semantics and structures of the program. The shown program selects the bag and wine from the image and verifies whether the bag is to the left of the wine. On the right hand, given the structure and semantics guidance offered by the program, ProTo updates the result matrix, leveraging the program guidance and the specification. Here we use three attention layers to fill the information from semantic guidance, structure guidance, and the specification. Please refer to our paper for more details. The ProTo supports three training schemes. First, when dense supervision is given, we penalize the difference between the ground truth output and the predicted output. Second, when the last reasoning step output is given, ProTo can be trained via the loss of the last time step. In this case, ProTo can have some sort of flexibility during the previous steps. Third, when only a reward is given to indicate whether the program has been correctly executed, ProTo can be trained via reinforcement learning. After discussing about the method, we will show the results of ProTo on two domains in the following slides. First, ProTo is better than the previous methods on all metrics. And we found leveraging program guidance is very effective in visual reasoning. We also conduct a lot of application studies on GQA. We found that ProTo outperforms other neurosymbolic baselines, and both semantics guidance and structure guidance play an important role in ProTo. In our human program experiment, we found that ProTo can be generalized to human programs. ProTo can still outperform the strong baseline on unseen programs and restricted data regime. On the micro domain, we found ProTo outperform the naive transformer approach by a large margin, and ProTo can be stronger than the PGA method. ProTo receives positive and constructive results from all four expert reviewers. All reviewers agree that using program to get learning is important, and learning to execute program is an interesting subject. One can refer to the Open Review data website to see full reviews. Here is a few takeaway messages. First, one-stage neurosymbolic approaches seem to be stronger than the pure neural or pure symbolic baselines. Second, learned program executors are more effective than hard-coded classical executors in the generalization ability. Third, transformers can serve as a general backbone for the learned program executors. Last, we hope more program-guided tasks can be investigated and a better model can be proposed. Here, ProTo means first work. Thanks.